the sun. Let's do this one quickly and get a little exercise in. Ooh, it's it's kind of warm, but it's still chilly. I don't know how to explain that. It's warm and chilly. I'm not sure how to explain that to you guys. Come with me on this lunch half an hour walk. Not half an hour. It's less than half an hour. This food place closed. Ooh, 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 ooh. Jeez, the water looks so calm. Nobody not here to disturb it. It looks so calm over there. Ooh. Show you the water. Oh, the river, guys. Let me show you the river. It's like it's cool outside and it's hot. I don't know how to explain this weather. This weather is something else today. So the river there, the river is outside. So it's, or it might be humid, and because I'm not so sure how to explain it. I'm feeling a little chilly, maybe because I am coming down with something. I'm trying to fight a flu virus. It's the water there. Beautiful, beautiful river. Look at the beautiful river. Beautiful, beautiful river. It's so still. Oh, look, there's a boat. Did you see that? Did you see that boat? Guys, did you see that boat? There's a boat. A boat just run across. Did you see that? I don't train now come today. Sure. It vex, you know? All these places have to go wash one time after the summer because the bird them take over the whole place. The whole place the bird them take over. Hi guys, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. I can see quite a few of you on, even though you're not talking to me. Welcome in. I'm showing you the beautiful river, part of Hudson Valley. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful river. Yeah. And that's me over here. Nice and quiet, don't? No disturbance. Nice and quiet, no disturbance. Except for the bird chirping at him now. Come out the way. Bird. Jesus. Hold on there, guys. I had to stop and get that. That's a good reel. Hi, Shireen. Hi, Annie. Hi. Welcome in. Welcome in. We just did I show them the river. So the river there is so nice and calm. I can't bother go down there now. But it's so nice and peaceful down there. Look. So peaceful. So peaceful. I should take a picture of it for my life. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. You have to try to maneuver the phone when you only have one. Yes. Everywhere is so quiet and peaceful. Just me and the bird, them. I'm not even see the squirrel. They must have gone for summer break too. Only the birds chirping away. Yeah, I was saying that it's not hot. It's cool out. Yeah, summer break. School is out. Hi. Amazon get the most business. What? Jesus, what a big trailer. Where it go? It come on here, you know? Guys, the long trailer coming our way, and I'm about to run. I am about to run. I am about to run. Run me, I'm running. Run. I'm running from the trailer. Jesus, it come. Hi, Nishan, what's up? I run from one trailer where I can take away the whole of the road you know. Woo! Woo! Overtime. And now wait for it come for me, you know. My God. Oh, it's reversing. It's went back down. Thank God. I'm not have to, no competition with it. So it went back down. Yeah, it went back down. Exercise is good for the body. Exercise. A pale long vehicle come on this here campus, you know. So one extra kid come here. Woo! Peer freighters. The spear freighters. Hi, Nishan, Wagwan. You don't eat your lunch? Is it okay to say you don't eat your lunch? I'm going to carry on that bridge here again. But just go walk, go down there and come back. Just a little walking. Walk out this flue. You know, look like the flue take me. Look how them reach far. Jesus. I was ahead of them, you know. Then reach far, two ladies where I walk to. Cause me I walk too slow, man. Nishana, I slow me down. I go walk faster. Make she keep up. Yeah, slow me down, Nishan. You're too lazy. Lift up your foot. Lift up your foot and walk. Lift up your foot and walk. Because them ladies there walk fast. And you make me a walk slow. Eh? Look how them ladies there walk fast. And Nishan make me a walk slow. Jesus. You guys are walking very fast. Yeah. Yeah, so me a good. Come on, man. You turn back, you better turn back cause we are good on the plank, you know. Go on the plank. We are good on the plank. Yeah. Yeah. Kick off your boot if you tag it because we are good on the plank, you know. Right under the bridge. Right under the bridge we are gonna see. Oh, watch it, puppy. Look at the doggy. I miss somebody feel so. Look at the puppy. Doggy. Alright, so this is the overedge bridge. There are cars that driving on top of us while we walk under it. They made this overhead for the college because it was easier to cross. Woo! And the buggy come. Woo! Woo! It was easier to cross to go on the other side of the college because the road was too busy, so they made this overpass so that you can cross easily from the busy street. Yeah, I'm going to carry on up the step, you know. Ah, lazy Nishan. Lazy Nishan. Come on. See step? We're going up there. We're doing all this step. We're going up and we're coming back down. Yeah, yeah man, I'm being careful. Plus, anything should happen. We are covered camera everywhere. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm on the main street now. Main road we say. Main road we say. Main road we say. And this is a parking lot, so yeah. When our college lot is full, we can't use this one. So we're going back down now. Coming up 9 minutes to go back in the office. So see the steps? We're going down them again. Come on. Nishan, come on. Cause we're gonna just throw you off of the trip if you not lift up your foot careful and come. Yeah. Yeah. And we done it. And we are going back. This it's beautifully. The plants are beautiful. The blooms. Look at it. Like up the life, guys. Jesus. So this is the overpass bridge. Yeah. And anything you're hearing is like cars driving on top of it. So we're heading back now. Briskly, swiftly. Good little exercise today. I go up steps and I walk around. I go up hill and I come around. And it's a good little exercise today. Don't it, Shireen? Don't it's a good little exercise. Yeah. Good little exercise. Yeah. Good little exercise. So guys, guess what? Before I came out, I was feeling so terrible because it seemed like me I catch something. But doing the exercise, see the motivation I'll talk now. By doing this exercise, forcing myself out, it kind of helped me to take my mind off the feelings and just know say me I gotta do it no matter what. And it make me feels more revived. Yeah. So when you think like say you can't do something because you don't feel so good or you don't have the strength, sometimes it's good to force it. So that's what I did today. I had other plans and I said no, I don't feel so well to do that. So let's eat and put my head down and get like a rest. That's what I was gonna do, you know. And the spirit man within me said, no, remember the life, you can do it. I didn't do any Monday and I didn't do any yesterday. So you can do it. Oh, 5 minutes. Let me just rest my foot a little bit because I'm tired. Yeah, tired guys. I have 5 minutes more, but yeah, that's the motivational. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So watch don't watch your feelings. Sometimes the feelings is cause you not to do anything. Yeah, but God is good. I done my walk and I feel much better. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sharing. My run cross. Yes. Thank you for liking my life. God is good all the time. And I am done and I'm out of here. I'm going to go back to my desk now. So take care. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you are grieving in any kind of way, my condolences to you and family. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And all of you guys, we are going Auntie Donna meet and greet or what name? To have some meet and greet. Night of Elegance. Hoping to see you guys. If we can get tickets when we're ready. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. And whoosh, 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 whoosh. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And look forward to another video. All right. Okay, guys. It's another sign of the squirrel them. Them belly must be full. Them gone in. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you on the other side. Hi. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye, Shireen. Take care. Whoosh. I'm out of here. Bye, guys. Bye bye.